NERGM inspects works at Varanasi City Station. Pioneer News Service Varanasi. General Manager of Northeastern Railway NER Soumya Mathur on Monday conducted a window trailing inspection and reviewed the progress of Bhatni Varanasi City doubling works of Varanasi Division of NER. She directed the officers concerned to maintain the visibility of the signal. After her inspection, the GM reached Varanasi City Station in the afternoon while doing window trailing inspection from Krishak Express. At Varanasi City Station, she conducted a thorough inspection of the construction work going on at the station. Along with the expansion of the STATM, she inspected the renovated entrance, expansion of circulating area, platform sheds, construction of new bay and used toilets, beautification of waiting room for the convenience of passengers, seating arrangements, signages, water drainage, newly constructed reserved, unreserved ticket counter building and development works being done under the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme ATSS. Under the ATSS, Varanasi City Station has been redeveloped and made state-of-the-art at a cost of 59.87 crore. Mathur's physical lie inspected the work plan and proposed blueprint of the works to be done under the ATSS and the places identified for development. She inspected various works of passenger amenities, including beautification of Varanasi City Station. NERGM Soumya Mathur inspecting Varanasi City Railway Station on Monday. Building, expansion and beautification of circulating area, reserved and unreserved ticket counters installed in the new building, improvement of ATM, QR scanner and motive at the passengers standing behind in the queue of UTS counter to make their own tickets from ATM machine and get the tickets in short time. In a formal chat with the reporters on the occasion, the GM said Varanasi City is an important station of NER and the work of developing it as Amrit Bharat Station is in progress. For the convenience of passengers, the construction work of new waiting room, new passenger reservation center building and bay and used toilet has been completed while the work of landscaping of old GRS center and parcel office is in progress. The GM directed the officers concerned to complete the 12 meters pedestrian overbridge and the remaining construction works for development of the station within the stipulated time period with full quality. On the occasion, Divisional Railway Manager DRM, Vineet Kumar Srivastav, Chief Project Manager Gati Shakti Kaushalesh Singh, Senior Divisional Engineer Coordination Rakesh Ranjan, Senior Divisional Engineer Sri Anuj Verma, Senior Divisional Commercial Manager Sheikh Raymond, Senior Divisional Operations Manager Ajay Pratap Singh, Senior Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer Rajesh Priya, Senior Divisional Personnel Officer Samir Paul, Senior Divisional Electrical Engineer General Pankaj Kesharwani, Senior Divisional Security Commissioner S. Ramakrishnan, Deputy Chief Engineer Gati Shakti, IC Subhash, Divisional Commercial Manager Ramesh Pandey and Senior Railway Officers were present.